Hi friends, today we will learn how to make multicolor text in PowerPoint. So let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we want to make multicolor text. Firstly, select the text and apply the bold effect, then increase the font size. Then go to the shape format menu and click the fill text drop down menu, then go to the gradient, then go to more gradient, then check mark on the gradient fill. Then apply the gradient color to this fill color. Then close the window. Now we can see we make this text multicolor very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and thanks for watching the video.